Hello, I'm Sean Fenniman. I'd like to welcome you aboard Antares. She's a 2008 130 Westport, hull number 24 out of 26 built. The owners have lavished her with care beyond all measure. Everything inside the boat, soft good wise, is new, including the headliners, the granite countertops, the beds, the bedding. We freshly sanded all the teak decks, which have been replaced on an ongoing manner, and the outside of the boat's been detailed, polished, and waxed. I have MTUs that are fully up to date and ready to go. I hope you like what you see. Welcome aboard the main salon of Antares. Her brand new Patrick Knowles interior features a very nice, warm, inviting, contemporary grayscale interior. Her traditional from Westport flame mahogany is all raised panel and in beautiful shape. She's got fossilized granite countertops that really complement everything else. Antares has some really timeless and classic Carrara marble throughout her master cabin. It goes exceptionally well with this new interior from Patrick Knowles. All the light grayscale bedding gives it a cool contemporary feeling. Antares features the preferred aft king mirror image VIPs. Forward, a pair of twin bunk staterooms are made up as a queen to starboard and the original bunks to port. There's additionally a laundry room with new Miele professionals. All the mirrors, headliners, wall covering, carpet underlayment, beds, bedding is brand new courtesy of Patrick Knowles. The Galley of Antares features all of the right things for your chef. She's got the, call it butler's pantry layout instead of the dinette that gives the crew a greater place to plate and has additional refrigeration and storage. She's got the bigger new style stainless exhaust fan, a 5-burner induction cooktop, and all the refrigeration we could squeeze in her. She looks as new. The Sky Lounge of Antares is where you really want to spend your day. It gives you a commanding view of everything as the world passes by. She's got the preferred bar, again with a fossilized granite top, really nice chaise lounge to read a book, a gaming table, and a really comfortable couch and coffee table. There's additionally a day head up here, so you're never far away if you're in the hot tub. The Flybridge of Antares has a brand new linear polyurethane enclosure that helps keep everything dry and clean and allows you to use it in higher winds. The bar has a recent upgrade of a new granite countertop, and again, all the exterior soft goods have just been updated. The engine room in Antares has been kept as clean as the rest of the vessel. Her 12 V4000s push this boat to a 25-knot top end and an easy 20-knot cruise. They've been very well maintained by all of her previous owners, with a QL3 at 7,500 hours and recent service to keep her within MTU operating specs at 8,500 hours. The starboard generator was replaced with a new 99 kW Northern Lights. The port generator, the original 65, was rebuilt in 2020 and has approximately 5,000 hours on her now. Both will give you reliable service and carry the entire weight of the boat. She's got a Spot Zero system that's been installed. Her AC transformers has been moved out of the engine room and into the aft lazarette pump room. Her air handlers are new, her passerelle's been rebuilt, her PTOs have been gone through. Every system in this boat has been brought to the very top of its maintenance cycle.